The invention of the microchip stands as a pivotal moment in human history. Like the printing press before it, the microchip democratized access to information. It empowered individuals and reshaped societies. This revolution, however, began not with ink and paper, but with silicon, a material found abundantly in sand. The journey from sand to silicon wafers is a testament to human ingenuity. It mirrors the transformative journeys of other revolutions throughout history. Each step forward brought us closer to the powerful, miniaturized technology that defines our modern world. In 1959, two brilliant minds, Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce, independently invented the microchip. Kilby, at Texas Instruments, created a working integrated circuit on a single piece of germanium. Noyce, at Fairchild Semiconductor, developed his version using silicon, a material that would become synonymous with the microchip. Their groundbreaking invention, smaller than a fingernail, held the potential to revolutionize electronics. Before the microchip, electronic devices relied on bulky, inefficient vacuum tubes. The microchip promised smaller, faster, and more affordable electronics. The implications were far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives. The process of creating a microchip is a marvel of engineering. It begins with common sand, which contains silica, the basic ingredient for silicon. Through a series of purification processes, the silica is transformed into a single crystal of silicon, known as an ingot. These ingots are sliced into thin, round wafers. Each wafer undergoes a meticulous process of polishing, layering, and etching. Intricate patterns, containing millions or even billions of transistors, are etched onto the wafers using photolithography. Section 4. Moore's Law, the engine of progress. In 1965, Gordon Moore, co-founder of Intel, made a prediction that would become known as Moore's Law. He observed that the number of transistors that could be placed on a microchip was doubling approximately every 2 years. This prediction, driven by technological advancements, held true for decades. Moore's Law fueled an unprecedented era of technological progress. Computers became smaller, faster, and more powerful. The cost of computing power plummeted, making it accessible to a wider audience. The microchip revolution was in full swing. Section 5. The Quantum Leap and the Future of Microchips. Today, as we approach the limits of Moore's Law, the world of microchips is on the cusp of another revolution: quantum computing. Companies like Google are developing quantum computers capable of solving problems that are impossible for even the most powerful classical computers. This new era of computing promises to revolutionize fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. However, the journey from sand to silicon has taken an unexpected turn. Companies like DeepSeek in China are challenging the traditional silicon giants, driving innovation with new approaches and cost-effective solutions. The microchip revolution continues to reshape our world, pushing the boundaries of technology and sparking global competition for technological supremacy. The future of microchips, like the universe itself, is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.